It's past 11 p.m. tonight, and it is snowing outside. It looks so beautiful. This is from my bedroom window. The ground is so white, even on the street. I don't know what will happen tomorrow going to work, what will happen to the buses. I don't see any snowmobile. They normally plow the road for the buses and for the cars. Oh my god, I see a person walking. Oh. At this very hour, I see one person walking on the street. Wow. Snowfall continues. Non-stop. But it says in the news 25 centimeter. I'm not sure if snow is until tomorrow. Hopefully not. It's gorgeous though. Except for sure, no school, no buses. Few shops will be closed. Probably. Because the ground is so wide. Oh my goodness. Gonna see here. That's the ground. I still see cars passes by at this very hour. And there's another car coming. But you can't even see the ground anymore. But the car is moving slow, which is good. Well, they cannot go fast anyways, if the weather is like this. So right there, to the left, that is a bus stop actually. Oh, there's another car, but drives fast. Well, it's the only one. Oh, there's another car. Wow, there's so many people go home late tonight. even if there's a snowstorm. Huh? It's so funny because this evening I did a video outside, snowstorm outside. And then it's a very short video and I posted it, and all of a sudden it says Premiere. I don't even know how to do Premiere on YouTube, but automatically it says Premiere. All of a sudden I saw my friends like commenting, like it's like Premiere's like a live streaming or something like that. I have no idea. I didn't do that. I think YouTube did. I had to figure it out how to do Premiere. So by accident I was premiering tonight, but it's only like 4 minutes because it was not my intention to do Premiere. But this one, maybe I'm gonna do this Premiere. Look at the sky. The sky still, there's another car. The sky is still brewing. See the sky still brewing snows. It's so white. I think the sky will continue to brew snows the whole night. But I don't see any snowmobile though. Maybe like past midnight tonight. Because normally if it's like probably past midnight, maybe at 3 a.m. because I think I would say it doesn't make sense if they're gonna blow now and then the snow continues whole night. There's a lot of work if they're gonna blow now the snow on the road. But because they need to put salt on the road. And there's a car. They need to put a salt on the main road for the snow to melt. Otherwise, the car tomorrow morning is gonna be busy. The car, they cannot drive like this. It's gonna be like slippery. It will skid. And there's another car coming. There are still cars passing by. Wow. Let's see. He drives slowly. Is this good? Maybe I'm going to upload it tonight and then hoping YouTube again will say Premiere. I'm not sure if the snowfall is clear when I downloaded this video, but we'll see. I recorded this because it's just happened that I love snow. Not all people love snow, but I love winter. Luckily I love winter, because again, not all people loves winter. At least not that windy like earlier. Earlier was so windy. But I can see the sky still brewing of snow. Up there. Oh, it started getting windy now. It's so quiet. People are sleeping, but few are not, including me and Pipa, because I'm still waiting for snow in the window. See the snow in the window. It's good. It's stuck. Oh, there's another car. Pipa, where are you? There's another car, Pipa. Pipa loves to watch car. That's why she loves watching cars in the window. But she is not here. I really wanna go down and then look at fluffy white ground. It's nice to wash the snow, sabotage the snow in the ground. It's so clean and white. I don't like it when they're not clean and white anymore. I just like to play when it's like this, fresh, white, fluffy, clean ground that no one touches it yet. There's still buses. Nighttime. It's not in a country place, but looks like a country place. We can do snowboarding tomorrow here. Oh, Pipa can do snowboarding tomorrow. Oh yeah, but Pipa has a skateboard, not a snowboard. Oh, the skateboard can be, I think. I love the snow in the window, like that, the snow. And then let's see again. It's like cinematic. I'm using the gimbal, like cinematic. You will see the ground. The ground. The white ground. People can do the snowboard tomorrow there. We'll see after work tomorrow if the snow on the ground is still intact. Then I will let Pipa do the snowboarding. We'll see. And only if it's not that cold. I'm very overprotective of Pipa. I only let her stay for like few minutes. And then hug her, cover her, bundle her up. Because she's my one and only baby. Here is the bus stop. Imagine if at this very hour, it's almost midnight right now, if there is one or two people waiting for a bus. Oh my god, it's gonna be sad. Tomorrow is nice to go to the trail. It's gonna be like winter wonderland. But I'm working. Work, work, work. Still snowing, guys. It's non-stop. There's still cars passes by honking the horn. Oh yeah, the evening shift people. Oh, there's a car. There's another one coming. Oh, more cars. Oh, probably the evening shift people. That car drives fast. Not supposed to. Well, if that car has a winter tire, but still. Tomorrow morning, this is gonna be so white and so beautiful, so bright. And that's why I like when snowy day. It's gonna be so white and bright. Let's stay there. I'm just testing, guys. This vertical video. I know, not vertical. Horizontal landscape. I actually like landscape, but someone says if landscape, for example, if you do live stream landscape or horizontal, no one will watch us. The live stream vertical, so many people will watch if it's a vertical live stream, and I don't know why. And there's still another car, guys, coming. Woohoo! So my video, if I put it closer to an object, it will become blurry. It's like cinematic. And that's why, for example, this one is blurry, and then if I move a little bit farther, it's gonna be bright and clear. I wish I'm not working tomorrow, then I'm gonna make a video I am working. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. Look at that. Will the back become clear? We'll see tomorrow if there are squirrels. There are normally squirrels in this tree, and that's why Pipa stays here in this window. Oh, there's a bus. Wow. Probably the last bus. That's good, unless I like in case if there are passengers at the bus stop waiting. There's a car. How come the street is busy still? I thought no more cars and buses. But the main street, there. The busiest one, because that's the main. The ground is so beautiful. Beautiful to make a snow angel. Imagine that other part of the world is very hot right now. But here is cold. Other countries are cold and snowing. And other countries are so hot. I think I'm going to post it so that when I wake up in the morning I will see. Hee. There's another car. Look at the sky still brewing. Brewing of snow. the snow don't stop. I think Chris outdoors, they have more snow there than us here. Chris outdoors and I are in the same country. We're actually like an hour apart, or less than an hour, 45 minutes. Oh, I'm seeing a lot of snowmobile now on the main road. They started cleaning. Nice. But they only cleaned out the main road, guys. Now it's blurry because I put it closer. There's another car. Okay, let's stay here a little bit. Whoa, still cars passes by, guys. One. There's one following. Two. And there's still another bus. Wow. Wow. There's still buses. Amazing. At this very hour. Wow. See? It's like cinematic. If I put it closer, and then it will become clear. Like that. There's a car coming. More cars? Wow, really? It's gonna be difficult to drive at this time, guys, especially at night time. We'll see. Okay, that's it, guys.